guys, welcome to Avis Vlogs, part 7. As you can see, I have here a milk and a bowl. Now I will pour it to the bowl because Primo is thirsty because he is still a baby. And other dogs need to drink milk also, so let's go. Right there guys, the milk is ready and I will put it inside of the playpen. Now let's go. Primo's milk is ready. See, he is really thirsty. Katana wants to drink milk also, and Natasha, also Chimmy. Another milk, huh? I'm very thirsty. You can see guys, they are sharing milk together. They really love the milk. Primo is done drinking the milk. Also Katana and Chimmy. Now the siblings, Llaven and Natasha, are finishing the milk. Really love it. I'm happy because they appreciate the milk that I made for them, because I know that they will be thirsty. So don't forget to hit like and share with your friends. Also click the notification bell and hit subscribe. Thank you.